Yeah, the Samsung, it's flashing. Apparently, I checked online, that means that it's got an error code, and it's flooding. So we've been having issues with this, and I got the panel apart there. Just want to take it apart. And apparently if you flip it, it works. I've tried it before. I'm gonna show you guys what I do, what I gotta do. So I'm gonna shut the breaker off. Okay, new panel, dishwasher off, double checking off. Let's go. Okay, power's off obviously. It's not gonna do nothing. Don't wanna get that wet because she's gonna kill me. So basically I got this taken apart already. I opened it up. I tested it before just to make sure this was the wire and everything I needed. So we're gonna unplug the wiring now that we know the breaker's off. Okay, we're gonna make a little wet mess, so we're gonna go get some towels. Alright, so everything's pretty much disconnected except for the top here. Now I've done this before, I just haven't filmed it, so I thought I'd film it and show people that it works, but it's a pain in the ass now. Don't ask me why I don't tell that landlord that his dishwasher's a piece of shit. But it's a hack, I guess. There's a float somewhere inside. My old manager firm told me he used to do this to some of his dishwashers. And it works. I guess there's a float in the water. So what I do is I just shut the water off. You know, we're not using the dishwasher. Okay. So the electrical and everything is out. Put that little plate. To the hole so it can flip. I never see a lot of water, so I don't know what this happens. Yeah. Oh yeah. So there was water. How much? Whatever that was in the trap or something. I'm just gonna rewire all that. I'll be back. So you guys are pretty much got the electrical in. This sucks because this is not the right way to do it, but this is how it was. So I just keep on putting it back into the countertop. Well, it's gonna fail one day. Gotta put a little piece of wood, and it's not level. Nothing's level here. Whoever did this was a hack job. And yeah, it is what it is, man. The roof over our heads, whatever. Yeah, there's a reason why it's not level either too, because I think when I had it level, it wouldn't shut properly. I don't know, there's a reason. And buddy, this is how they did it. So I'm just gonna put everything in. But yeah, I haven't done this in the new year, but when I first moved in, I did it 2-3 times. Ooh. Yeah. What's going on here? This one, this one. Okay, the soap's already in. I'm gonna go put the breaker back on, and you guys are gonna see if it goes poof. We're on. Not flashing. Okay, turn the water on. Start. And it goes. I'll let you guys know if it worked or not. I'm pretty sure it worked. Silly, isn't it? Okay, it's the day later, and forgot to do a quick update yesterday. So yeah, the dishwasher worked after flipping it over. Just put my dishes away. Silly, isn't it? Off to another load of dirty dishes.